Guys, I want to show you this utensil vase that I received from the company. I want to give you like a really up close look and then let you know about it. First of all, like the pattern on it is different than I expected. The glaze, I should say. I thought it'd be glossy, and it's actually like a mix of both, which I like a lot better. So the white is a glossy, and then the black is more of like a matte. So I think that looks really cool. It's like that Mackenzie Child style, but it's not like super high gloss. So I do like that. It fits a ton. You can see how big it is. It's 7 inches by 6 inches. So it's a really nice size. I have, so I could show you in comparison. So this is what I've been using for my utensils. Then you can see the difference. So it's definitely like a really big size. You're going to fit anything that you need in here. It's not going to be crowded. Easily 20 different pieces, no problem. So here you can see it, like the difference. It just fits a ton. This is like a really long soup ladle, super long soup ladle, and that fits in there nicely as well. So you're going to be able to put whatever you want in here. It comes in different colors and designs. So I like that you could pick up a different color if maybe the black and white isn't what you want. But I really love how this looks. I think it's classic. And the quality of it is really great. It feels nice. It's heavy. It's dishwasher safe. So let's say it gets like gross in there, you could throw it in the dishwasher, which is also like a really key feature. Really happy with this product, and definitely I would recommend it and pick one up if you need something like this.